Hello, I am Ayla.
I'm Erin Slivka. That's my husband.
Yeah, my name's Tim Slivka. Erin and I have been married now for 11 years, and
Almost 12.
almost 12. Yep. And back in 2015, we had our daughter Ayla.
She is super bright, very intelligent, silly, fun, energetic. She wants to be a scientist when she grows up. She wants to study space. That's what she wants to. And she's wanted to do that since she was 3 years old. And still today at 6.5, you ask her what she wants to do. She wants to be a scientist. So it's pretty cool.
She's also incredibly competitive.
She's very competitive. Gets that from him. And she's just so kind. You know, she just has like a heart of gold and you know, always thinking about other people and wanting to help other people, help her little brother and now her little sister who's 3 months. So she's an amazing, amazing little human.
Excellent. Mm-hmm. Couldn't have said it better.
Yeah. And it is basically a tumor that is found on the brainstem, and it is basically wrapped around the brainstem, which makes it virtually impossible to do surgery on the way that it kind of wraps around.
The mobility issues have really been the biggest thing that we've seen, and it's the saddest thing to really watch because you watch her. She was active, you know. She played soccer. She loves to color and draw and paint and things like that, and she was a lefty. And when this happened, where she was having most of the mobility issues was on her left side. So her left arm at this point is virtually paralyzed, so she can't do any of the things she used to do. You can watch her kind of move her hand with her right hand when she needs to use it, or even just to wash her hand, she picks her hand up with her right hand and puts it underneath the sink.
Yeah.
And then just walking to and from anywhere, she needs some assistance.
Unfortunately, I can see declines in her overnight. You know, when she wakes up the next day, I can see a little bit her symptoms, clinical symptoms, worsening a little bit more and more. It's daily.
We were diagnosed on the 6th. We had our first treatment of radiation on the 7th of July. And in this situation, we did the radiation. We did an experimental clinical trial drug. And just this week, Ayla's situation has progressed where her tumor is now bigger in size and we have to take her off of the experimental drug that she's been on. So you need to find a drug. You need to find something that might be out there. And right now, with no trial, there's no access.
Yeah.
Without going through the bureaucratic red tape to get to something. When you have a diagnosis that has a prognosis of 8 to 12 months, you don't have time to wait. You have to make decisions, and you have to make those decisions really quickly. That's the bottom line. It's terrible to watch, as every day is, like Erin said a moment ago, every day is worse than the day before.
Yeah.
And we don't have the time to wait on that, compassionate use approval to take place. And it'd just be nice if there was a streamlined pathway that would, lead to getting access to the drugs that you need to just try to give yourself some more hope. If that was faster, it would mean a lot to parents like us.
Yeah.
We stand to miss out on birthdays and, her wedding, everything that you going to school, graduations.
These are life-threatening diseases that affect the patient and affect the families. And they deserve every option that's possible.
Okay, fashion style. See you later.